Examples of present perfect continuous tenses. 1. I have been writing articles since morning. 2. He has been reading the book for 2 hours. 3. Taman has been finding the book since morning. 4. She has been finding the dress since evening. 5. They have been playing football for an hour. 6. He has been studying in the library for 3 hours. 7. You have been shopping at this fair for 2 hours. 8. We have been watching a movie in this Cineplex for 3 hours. 9. You have been shopping in that market for 3 hours. 10. They have been singing different kinds of songs for 2 hours. 11. I have been listening to melodious songs for an hour. 12. He has been traveling around the world for a month. 13. They have been playing cricket in that field for 5 hours. 14. The poet has been writing romantic poems for several hours. 15. The lyricist has been writing realistic songs since the beginning of his career. 16. I have been helping him to do the task for an hour. 17. My mom has been cooking for 3 hours. 18. Our English teacher has been teaching for 1 hour. Negative sentences. 19. I have not been writing articles since morning. 20. He has not been reading the book for 2 hours. 21. Taman has not been finding the book since morning. 22. She has not been finding the dress since evening. 23. They have not been playing football for an hour. 24. He has not been studying in the library for 3 hours. 25. You have not been shopping at this fair for 2 hours. 26. We have not been watching a movie in this Cineplex for 3 hours. 27. You have not been shopping in that market for 3 hours. 28. They have not been singing different kinds of songs for 2 hours. 29. I have not been listening to melodious songs for an hour. 30. He has not been traveling around the world for a month. 31. They have not been playing cricket in that field for 5 hours. 32. The poet has not been writing romantic poems for several hours. 33. The lyricist has not been writing realistic songs since the beginning of his career. 34. I have not been helping him to do the task for an hour. 35. My mom has not been cooking for 3 hours. 36. Our English teacher has not been teaching for 1 hour. 37. I have not been watching the cricket match for an hour. Asking or questions sentences. 38. Have I been writing articles since morning? 39. Has he been reading the book for 2 hours? 40. Has Taman been finding the book since morning? 41. Has he been finding the dress since evening? 42. Have they been playing football for an hour? 43. Has he been studying in the library for 3 hours? 44. Have you been shopping at this fair for 2 hours? 45. Have we been watching a movie in this Cineplex for 3 hours? 46. Have you been shopping in that market for 3 hours? 47. Have they been singing different kinds of songs for 2 hours? 48. Have I been listening to melodious songs for an hour? 49. Has he been traveling around the world for a month? 50. Have they been playing cricket in that field for 5 hours? 51. Has the poet been writing romantic poems for several hours? 52. Have I been helping him to do the task for an hour? 53. Has my mom been cooking for 3 hours? 54. Has our English teacher been teaching for 1 hour? 55. Have you been preparing the assignment for 2 hours? If it is helpful, please share with others. Thanks.